How to add VPN configuration on iPhone 2025. In this video, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be discussing on how you can add VPN configuration on your iPhone in 2025 in the easiest and most simplest way. Now, doing this is really simple. What you're simply going to want to do is you are going to go over to your settings section, all right? So to go over to your app settings or your mobile settings, simply click on this gear icon over here. And once you've done that, what you're going to want to do from here on out is you're going to go over to VPN. Now, once you go over to VPN, right down here, it's going to say add VPN configuration. So that is exactly what we're here to do, that we are here to add VPN configuration. You're going to click on that. And once you do that, obviously, first of all, you're going to choose your type. Now, it depends on your regions. Now, for my region, IKEV2 is perfect. Then you're going to add in the description, which is going to be a URL code. You're going to add the server code, the remote ID, and then finally add in the username password for the authentication. Click on done, and that should save your VPN configuration on iPhone in 2025. So that is pretty much all there is for this video. If you enjoyed watching, make sure to drop down a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'm going to be seeing all of you in the very next video. Have a great and incredible day. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.